Hello. Let's students, we start the linear equations in two variables, graphical method. आज आपण ग्राफिकल मेथडने सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन्स कसे सॉल्व करायचे ते पाहणार आहोत. एक एक्झाम्पल्स घेऊ आपण त्यासाठी. To solve the following simultaneous equation by graphical method. The two equations, linear equations are given. X plus 3y is equal to 7, that is first equation, and x plus y plus 1 is equal to 2, that is the second equation. For solving by graphical method, these are the linear equations. That means their lines represent equations represent the lines on the graphs. We draw that two lines on a graph, and the point of intersection is the solution of that simultaneous equations. For plotting the graph of this line, we have to get the points. That means we have to draw the table first. To draw the graph, we have to make the table as follows. To draw the graph, we have to make table as follows. Let we take the first equation. X plus 3y is equal to 7. Get 3y to the another side, hence our equations become x is equal to minus 3y plus 7. Now we make the table of point x, y, x, y. Let's take the first point. Here x, the value of x in term of y, that means we take the values of y, any values, we take three values. Suppose first we take 1, second 2, and third 3. We can take any values, but take the values such that we can draw the graph on the graph paper. Substitute this value in the equation. First we take x is equal to minus 3y plus 7. Put 1 at here. We get minus 3 into 1 plus 7. That means minus 3 plus 7, which is 4. That means x get 4. The points of the coordinates are 4, 1. Similarly, take the another values. X is equal to minus 3y plus 7. Minus 3 into 2 plus 7. That's get minus 6 plus 7, which is 1. Hence the another point is 1 and 2. We take 3 points at least to draw the line. Third one, x is equal to minus 3y plus 7 is equal to minus 3 into 3 plus 7, which is minus 9 plus 7. Hence it gets minus 2. Third point is minus 2 and 3. Similarly, we get the points of the second line also. Now the second equation is 2x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Arrange this. Take 2x to the another side. Because of y is equal to, we get y is equal to minus 2x minus 1. That is the second equation. We have to rearrange that. Now take the points First x, y, x, y. At here, we get the value of y in term of x, that means we take the values of 1 here. At here, the value of x in term of y, hence we take the values of y. Now we take the values of x, any values. Suppose I take minus 1, 1 and 2. That is 3 values I have taken. Substitute these values in the equations. First, we get y is equal to minus 2x minus 1. Substitute minus 1 at here. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus minus 1. That is the minus minus get plus 2 minus 1. Hence we get the value 1. Therefore, the first point become minus 1, 1. Second, y is equal to minus 2x minus 1. Minus 2 into bracket 1 minus 1. That means minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3. The second point get minus 3. That is 1 minus 3. And third one, we take 2. X value of x is equal to 2. Y is equal to minus 2x minus 1. That means minus 2 into 2 minus 1, which get minus 4 minus 1. That means minus 5. The second point is, third point is 2 minus 5. Now, we plot the graph on graph paper, and the point of intersection of these two lines is the solution of that equation, because of that point satisfy both equations. Hence, that is our final answer. Now, we saw the graph. Now, we get the second equation. Second example. Solve the following simultaneous equation by graphical method. The equations are given. First equation, 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0, and y is equal to x plus 4. First we take first equation for the tables. 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Take any values to the right hand side, 3x or 4y. We take the 3x, hence we get 4y is equal to minus 3x minus 5. Now 4 is the coefficient of y. Take that the another side, we get y is equal to minus 3x minus 5 upon 4. Now this equation get the value of y in term of x. Now we make a table, x, y and xy. At here, get the value of x such that we get the rational integers. First we take, suppose we take here x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to minus 3x minus 5 upon 4. Minus 3 into 1 minus 5 upon 4. That means minus 3 minus 5 upon 4. Hence we get minus 8 upon 4. That is minus 2. Hence this first point become 1 minus 2. Now we take the second point. At here, x is the value of x such that the difference between these two numbers is 4 because of the denominator get 4. If the denominator is 4, we take the second number such that the difference between that two numbers is 4. If the denominator is 3, we take the second number such that the difference between that two numbers is 3. Okay, so on. That means we add 4 in 1 or subtract 4 from 1. If we add 4 to the 1, we get the another number is 5. Hence, now take the second number, y is equal to 5, x is equal to 5, we get y is equal to minus 3x minus 5 upon 4. That means minus 3 into 5 minus 5 upon 4, which get minus 15 minus 5 upon 4. That means minus 20 upon 4, which get minus 5. Hence, the value of y is also get the integer 5 minus 5. Okay. Then we get third point. We subtract 4 from 1, we get minus 3. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. Take x is equal to minus 3. Hence, y is third the value of y, we get minus 3x minus 5 upon 4. Put the value of x is minus 3, that means minus 3 into minus 3 minus 5 upon 4. Minus minus get plus, 3 into 3 9 minus 5 upon 4, that means 4 upon 4, which get 1. Hence the value of y which get 1. Hence the third point get minus 3 and 1. Okay. If there is a coefficient of x and y, we get the points in the such way. Now we get the point of the second line, second equation, that is y is equal to x plus 4. This is a simple equation. We take the points x, y, we make the table. Here the value of y in term of x, that means we take the values of x. We take any values of x. I get minus 2, 0 and 1. Substitute these values in the equations. First we get y is equal to x plus 4. Substitute minus 2 at here. Minus 2 plus 4. That means minus 2 plus 4, which is plus 2. Then first point become minus 2, 2. Similarly, put x is equal to 0 plus 4. We get 4. The second point become 0, 4. For third, y is equal to x plus 4. Substitute x is equal to 1 plus 4, we get 5. The next point become 1 and 5. Okay. Now we can draw the graph on the graph paper and solve this equation. The point of intersection is the solution of these equations.